Hey, good morning everybody. So as you can see, we have quite the obsession with Yeti. So just a few of our favorite products here. This video is not sponsored by Yeti, but maybe one day, that would be pretty awesome. So we just really like their stuff, and you know, it's great material, holds up really well. It's very durable, and it's just an awesome product. So we've got like a smaller cooler, tons of cups, so you can see even a new one that they've got where it's advertised for beer, but it's a Rambler that has a handle on it, almost like their coffee mug on this end. But yeah, so just really cool products. Love Yeti a lot. So as an early birthday present, Tori and JT sent me this. It's a brand new product that Yeti is now marketing, and it's called the Boomer Dog Bowl. So let me show you what it looks like here. It's really cool. They got a new sticker built for the wild. It's a paw print. And this is what it looks like here. So it's that same Yeti material. Throw this guy up. And it's got, this one is black and then a silver inside, and it's great. It's just really cool because it's going to be great to take camping or, you know, just on the trails with us, but also here at home, you know, I'm sure they're going to love it. I just feel like Yeti missed an awesome marketing opportunity, and I think they got this thing all wrong. So yeah, I mean, it looks like a dog bowl, but I also kind of have another idea. To me, it looks a lot like a cereal bowl. I don't know, Yeti, you make a lot of great products, but I think you just missed the mark on this one. Kind of holds my whole box for me. This is perfect. Love it. Thanks, Tori, JT. So introducing the Boomer Dog Bowl. Sorry guys, I think this one's for me. Hey, so we are making our way to base right now. We're gonna go grab some stuff to grill. We're gonna make some homemade burgers and fries and potato salad. I don't know what else. So we're just gonna grab some stuff. But yesterday we went to base and we picked up a grill. So I'm gonna shoot real quick over to those clips. This was yesterday.
So we are off to go buy a grill.
Yay! Yeah. Finally grilling season.
Not the type for your teeth.
Yeah, no, none of those. So here's the thing though, Mildenhall, the base that's next to Lake and Heath, where we're stationed at, they have all the outdoor section stuff. So we're gonna go check there to see if they have a grill. We already know that the Shopette little store on base has one that we like on Lake and Heath, but we're gonna go see the selection over there first and check them out.
Yeah, so we learned yesterday that we're gonna buy an American grill, but the propane tanks on base, they're UK propane tanks, so we just have to get like a little adapter so the hose will fit.
Yeah, they say they sell them with it, either with the grill or with the propane, so not a big deal, but yeah, we're excited. Yeah. Time to start grilling.
Yes.
So lots of different selections, but we're gonna go with this guy. Just a 4-burner propane, pretty simple. Trust the name too. I think it's gonna be a good size for the side of the house there. Back of the house, and I got it all set up here just in the dining room. We got the 2 French doors here that we can open up, so I figured it'd be easier to build it right here and then just walk it right outside where we're gonna have it. So here we go. Finished product. This is what it looks like here. I don't know if we're gonna have it on the side here, but we're gonna figure it out. But yep, nice 4 burners, plenty of room for burgers, dogs, skewers, all that kind of stuff. The tank's different though. It's like a red tank, and it's a lot taller than the ones I'm used to. And then we just had to get an adapter to kind of fit the US style hose here. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's time to start grilling again and enjoying the warmer weather here. So we knew we wanted to get a grill, but Chelsea already made dinner plans yesterday. So we built everything, got it all set up, and then just tucked it away in the shed. So today, now that the weather's actually nicer too, we're gonna go get supplies and you know, use it for the first time. So we're excited.
All right, I'm not a big fan of putting my hand in hamburger meat, so Kyle's gonna do that part. Another small disclaimer is we don't really follow recipes. So we're gonna tell you what we're doing, and then we usually just wait and hope it tastes good. So we'll see.
So like Chelsea said, normally we just wing it, but today we're gonna throw some stuff together. Just got it all organized. This is what the meat from the commissary looks like. So not the best, but
I mean, it tastes good. We haven't gotten sick yet.
So far so good. So normally we buy our meat off base though. We got a lot of good stuff from Sainsbury's and other places.
I will say that I think the ground beef is a little different from like minced meat. I don't really know how it's different or why it's different, but there is a different, like, it's almost like a different texture.
Ground beef in. Next is an egg. I can't do that one-handed crack. I gotta learn that. I know it's super easy, but whatever. Okay. It's got the egg. Next is Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna do a tablespoon. Perfect. All right, and then I don't know how many breadcrumbs.
Quarter cup.
Quarter cup. Gotta grab a third cup.
This is Kyle's favorite drawer in the house.
Look at this mess. I wanted like a canister, and she said no, it's got to be neat and organized. So this is not neat or organized.
But it's hidden.
I'll just do a little bit less than half cup. That should be good.
Yep, looks good.
Awesome.
Now, we usually, JT has this good McCormick seasoning called Pub Burger, but we couldn't find it today. So we ended up getting a Weber, which they make grills, so that they're
gourmet burger.
Mmm.
Tasty.
That's what these are, gourmet.
So how much of this do we put on?
I don't know, read the directions.
It says sprinkle on your burger before grilling.
We'll just mix it in.
Mixed together, it's holding pretty well. You can see the breadcrumbs and then the egg just help it so it doesn't all break apart when you're forming the patties. So what I do is I usually just grab a pinch of this and then start balling it up. Just like a little fistful amount, like, you know, size of your palm kind of thing. And then just start forming it into that little patty shape. The thinner the burger, the faster it'll cook. The real thick ones, you gotta make sure that you get them done in the center. Or sometimes you bite into it and it might be just a little more raw than what you're looking for. But these guys will cook fast. So we get them to be about this size. And then the plan is we're gonna make a bunch and then freeze our extra or leftovers so we can just throw them on the grill and not have to just kind of skip this process next time. But I think we're only gonna eat like 2 tonight. And then we got some hot dogs that we're gonna throw on the grill as well. So burgers and dogs.
Oh yeah.
So we got our patties. Again, we're only gonna cook a couple, but I'm gonna throw them in the freezer. That just helps them hold together even more on the grill there. When you're grilling and it's hot outside, not really hot today,
it's not hot.
But for the summertime, it's important to stay hydrated. So we're gonna show you a very special drink right now, how to make a cool summer drink. This is called an orange crush, and it's really important to Chelsea and I. So if you go back and watch our very first video that we did, you'll see the last crush that we had in Delaware. So this is one that Chelsea introduced me to when we first started dating, and she highly recommended it. And ever since then, we've had fun making them. So to make them, you need, the main ingredient is fresh oranges. We always grab the biggest ones from the grocery store we can get the most juice out of them. You need some orange vodka. You can use different flavored vodka, but we go with the orange stuff. And then also the triple sec, it's got orange flavoring. You use Sprite just to kind of give it that carbonation, the bubbles at the end, and then 2 glasses full of ice. So, oh, and also the most important thing is our orange crusher. Definitely need one of these. You can hand squeeze these and use like a juicer, but this just looks really cool too. It's fun to use.
We bought that like when we had only been dating for like a couple weeks. So
yeah.
It was a cool thing. We like looked everywhere for it, so and then we found
it
one.
in like a kitchen store, I think. So, and it's just something we always keep on our island now. So the trick with the oranges is first you gotta roll them out on the countertop. It just helps like release the juice a little bit more. So always just give them a good little roll, and then you just cut them in half. Boom, juicy. Put them on the crusher, and it's got a grate. You just kind of pull the handle, and then the juice will just empty out in the cup below. So super easy, and again, it's kind of a fun way to make a drink. So we got our cup of orange juice, freshly squeezed.
Yum.
Okay, so first we add the vodka, the Absolute. We actually had to order this stuff online because we couldn't find it in local stores. They just don't have flavored vodka. They have plenty of regular vodka.
No, I mean, I feel like we've seen flavored vodka, but we even looked on Base and they had...
Oh, I guess like lime and some other stuff, but no orange.
No orange.
Need orange. So normally we have like a little spout and you measure it, just like a couple shots per cup.
But we're all about winging it today.
Yeah, we're seasoned pros at this.
Mmm.
You just know how to eyeball it.
Although he's making it a little strong for a Sunday.
All right, then you just do a couple splashes of the triple sec. Splashes of the triple sec. This is just a syrup again that just adds more orange flavor. It's good stuff. All right.
A lot of vodka.
You add the orange juice. All right, so see how you got a little bit left to fill it up to the top? That's where the Sprite comes in. Just take your Sprite and just take it to the rim. And then, it's always easier to drink with straws, so you just throw in 2 straws, kind of give it a little stir there. Made yourself a crush. Tastes like summer in Delaware.
So we're also gonna make pasta salad tonight, but most people put like olives and tomatoes in pasta salad, but Kyle's just learned to live with my picky self.
It's just cheese.
So I just wanted to show this for Krista, so because she misses it probably.
This is a really good dish. Super easy, and it's great for barbecue.
Yeah. For the pasta salad, the only things I add, just because I'm a picky eater, are sharp white cheddar cheese. I'm not a fan of yellow cheese. I don't know why. My mom put that on me. And then sometimes I like to add pepperoni. It's just, it gives more flavor. It's probably not the healthiest choice, but it's still good. Sometimes I'll add carrots too, but we don't have any because we forgot to buy them. And then Italian dressing. You can totally add more vegetables to it, but I'm a picky eater.
Switching to GoPro here. We're gonna get the first light from the new grill. I'm just gonna flip on the gas real quick. It's real easy. You just have a adapter valve that goes from the UK tank to the US spec hose. There we go. Super easy. I don't know how well it's showing up, but all burners are go. Man, that's nice. All right, so we're gonna close it so it can heat up. Get some burgers on there. These are gonna be delicious. Can't wait. Ooh, nice and toasty now. I'll slap these on real quick. So I turned on all 4 just to get it nice and hot, but we're actually gonna turn down the other side. Let's use that to toast some buns later. Crank these guys down a little. Now we just let them get cooked and super delicious. All right, looking good. I got distracted and let the dogs go a little too much, but Chelsea likes them nice and crispy, so we're gonna toast up some buns. We were gonna get like a super small, just 2-burner one, but we knew that we would entertain some folks and got my sister and her family coming here soon, so we want plenty of room for skewers and more burgers, all that kind of stuff. So cheese slices are massive. Just gonna let that toast for a second. So that's it. That's our first official barbecue. Check out the burger. I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited for the sun to go down a little bit later too, so that we have longer days and just being able to sit out there, nice warm weather.
Got some chicken, some salmon.
Yeti full of beer. It's gonna be good. We're excited.
Our Yeti obsession.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this episode. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We'll just pop it right about here. So
yeah.
We'll catch you in the next adventure.
Yeah. Cheers.